Oh, I think she's mine.
There's a little guy named Dana. There he is.
Oh,
Did you kill it?
biscuits.
Back to Lowe's?
No. But we'll drop it real quick. No, that didn't work either. Alright, go ahead.
I think I'm gonna do the back bumper first.
What is that?
You know you can do that too? Star drive with a Allen head.
I guess it's somewhat of a scrapbook style, but I want it to be more of a portfolio. But I'm gonna have all of our SEMA stuff. This is me and Josh's. That's our flight and our pass to SEMA. That was pretty sweet. That's when you're an actual retailer. So on the first day, you're just walking around SEMA and they're just handing you stuff like for free. Everyone's just like, try this, try this. This is one of my favorites right ever. This is for Brian at Toyota Greensburg. Literally a mirror finish. But just things like this, you know, I'll have one right here, the description, about what I did, you know, the notes on it, how many passes, things like that. And then just flip it over, and if I have more pictures of it, more extensive, like from the correction during working on it.
That's what you gotta do right there. This is the easy stuff.
They don't go anywhere. You're gonna, the wires from the OBD2, you're gonna cut them and just put tape around them.
Okay.
And then you're gonna splice these on where they were.
Okay.
That's all.
All right.
Do we need anything, like garbage bags or anything from Lowe's? We're gonna get masking tape.
Maybe one's for that trash can.
I get all my glasses coated now. It makes them so much easier to clean. If you get smudges or fingerprints on them, it wipes off without scratching them up. Helps if I bring the torque wrench. Screws in the back stripped out. The one I was able to put back in, but the other one broke in half.
Hardware toll, please call 215. Hardware toll 215.
I was gonna say, does that look bad? Yeah, why don't you put a light there? That's it.
So this is my 2018 Volkswagen Golf R. I bought it in April of last year. I bought it in a, it was called Lapis Blue Metallic, and it was like a brighter blue, but it had a lot of light blue metallic flake in it, and it was a really sharp looking color, and I love the color of it, but I wanted to switch it up a little bit and make it a little bit more unique. So we ended up wrapping all of the blue areas in XPEL Stealth, which is the matte film, so it gives the blue kind of a matte satin look. But whenever the light hits it just right, you can actually see like the light blue flake in there. So we wrapped all the blue in the Stealth film, and then we did the roof and the top of the spoiler in a gloss black vinyl, and then we put XPEL Ultimate on top of that, and then did the XPEL Stealth around the edges, just to kind of, you know, make the car flow a little bit better, make the gloss black match everything else on the car that's gloss black. And just make it look a little bit better. We still have to put some things back on the car. I mean, we have to finish putting the film on the taillights. We have to put the lower rear valence on, put the reflectors back in, just do a couple little things like that. And then obviously, got to wash the car because it's got gel and slip and stuff all over it. And then it's going to get a coat of, or a couple coats of CeramicPro on it. And then once that's done, then the car's pretty much all protected up to my standards. So next I'm going to get back to doing a little bit more appearance things. So I'm going to put some different wheels on it, and then on to performance things.